would you like to know how you can make money online by doing translations job? Well, if the answer is yes and you want to get paid $5 per minute and as well $6 per minute or $7 per minute by doing translation jobs, you will have to watch this video till the very end of it so you can find out how you can do that. As well, before you interrupting it, don't forget guys that I share always strategy which is going to be function for every one of you. So even this one, even though that you don't know a lot of languages, you might be doing translation jobs and get paid worldwide even though that you don't know them. We're about to be using Google Translate, so yeah, this is how it's going to function. That's why you don't need to interrupt this video and to leave it in the middle, because everyone that is watching it can make it work. You just need an internet connection, a device same as I am using right now, and your attention so you can find out how you can do this, because you don't really need any previous experience or skills into translation at all. First of all, we will go to better personal growth and give a big thumb up to the video below if we like to make money online, to subscribe to the channel and push notifications on so we can get notified at any time that we're about to present a new video or a new strategy. Well, now that we did this, what we're going to be doing is for sure to go to Google and search for Google Translate, which is the platform which is going to help us to translate different text even though that we don't know any other language. So here we're going to be using English, for example, because the English is the language that I speak, but for sure you can change it, you can put the language that you want. And as well, here we're about to use the detected language that we're about to be translating or to be using thanks to the demand that is given by the platform. Now that you are here, we are about to use Spanish because this is the language which is going to get paid more, but for sure, depending on what kind of job or what kind of translation the owner wants, you will be choosing it right over here. Well, once that you click into Spanish or the detected languages, for sure what you're going to be doing is to see how it works. So for example, I've texted something here like I want to make money online because everyone would like to earn money online and to make them, and the platform has translated it as you might be seeing it right over here. What I'm going to be doing is for sure to copy this text, to go to the platform which has asked me to make translation, to paste it right over there and earn the amounts of money per minute that I just spent right over here. This is how it's going to function, and now what is important for us is to go to the platform which is going to pay this online money. It is called GMRtranscription.com, and this is a platform which is going to help you to do transcription job, translating and editing and proofreading jobs. It has been around since 2004 and it has more than 12,000 happy customers all around the world by using this platform. For sure, as I promised you, this is going to offer you not only transcriptions job but as well other ones like translation, editing and proofreading, which we mentioned since on the beginning. What we're going to be doing is for sure translating, but you might be seeing as well that once that you join to this platform, you're about to join to their thousands of happy customers and as well happy businessmen who are supporting these platforms, which are very popular and very well known. Once that you are here, click into rates so you can see the amount of money and as well how much you will get paid per doing these different jobs. You can open all of them and have an information about transcription rate, but what we're here today, it's about translation. So just click in the Spanish audio translation, which I told you since in the beginning is going to get paid more, and that's why we will be using it. Once that you click there, you will get directed right over here where you can see that the rates per clear audio are calculated per recorded minute, and as well rates per difficult audio are calculated at the same time. You will be choosing between up to 2 speakers and 3 speakers so you can get paid more. If you see that if there are 2 speakers, you will get paid $5, but if there are more than 3 speakers, you will get paid $5.25, and this is how it's going to be functioning. The rates will vary from $5 up to $7 more and more once that you get proficient into that. Now that you saw this, what you need is for sure to create a new account. So just click into client register and you're about to get directed right over here where you will have to fill in your information and start recording or registering your information here by filling your first name, last name, email ID, phone number, and as well where did you heard about this platform, which is YouTube for sure, and confirming that you're not a robot, and click into the next option so you can get directed into their main dashboard and start doing this online jobs. Well, this is how it's going to function. You will get text for GMR transcription. You will copy it, go to Google Translate, paste it right over here, and after that make a translation thanks to this platform, which is going to function automatically. Make a translation of what language the platform has asked you for, or the businessman has asked you for, and you will get paid every single minute that you do this kind of job. So it's somehow just copying and pasting texts. Now I have two more options and two more bonus platforms which you can use to make money online. The very first one, it is called GoTranscript.com, and this is a platform 100% human generated service. It has got almost 5 stars, which it makes it totally reviewed, totally legit, and as well it has more than 3,000 customer reviews, which it makes it 100% secured and legit. Here you're about to be doing different jobs like transcription, where you're going to get paid per minute, captions you're going to get again paid per minute, and as well translations jobs, which you are going to get paid per word, and foreign subtitles, which you are going to get word paid for a minute. Well, if you would like to know how you can make foreign subtitles, as you may see, they are going to get paid at almost $9 per minute. Well, comment on the comment section below if you would like a tutorial about that. Well, now that you are here, for sure you will be choosing between translation and so click there so you can see how much you're about to get paid with doing translation jobs. If you click into rates and pricing, you might be seeing right over here how much you will get paid per minute if you do transcription and translations jobs, so varying from $2 up to more by doing that. This is how it's going to function. You will have to create your new account by clicking into sign up option. So you will create your new account by filling all the information required there, or you might be logging with Google or Facebook, so it's going to be faster and easier for you. Once that you create your new account, they will be offering to you a lot of text so you can make translation jobs. And the second platform, it is one of the best because it's going to pay you $47 and $67 per hour by doing different translation jobs. It is called translate2profit.com, and here what you're going to be doing is the same thing, creating a new account where you will have to get paid with extra fees as well, without not waiting. As soon as you make a translation job, you will get directed, or you will get paid directly. They are going to be functioning worldwide for free, so everyone who is watching this video can use it. You can surface within it, or you can access it into Apple and as well into Android, Windows, web-based softwares, and so on and so forth. Create your new account into translate2profit.com and all the other platforms so you can start getting paid again and again for doing translations jobs thanks to Google Translate, even though that you don't know all these languages. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to support us by subscribing and pushing notifications on.